Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the iTech Creator. Guys, as you can see, this Gixxer SF Fi ABS bike comes with a small 4 ampere battery. So guys, here today I will replace with this 9LB Exide battery for more backup. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, now I am opening the seat cover. Remove the seat cover. As you can see, this is a 4 ampere battery. So now I will replace. So I am opening. You can see guys, this is a 4 ampere. So I will replace this big battery 9Lb for more backup. Warranty card. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. So now I will check the battery status. So battery output is 12.95. You can see. So connective wire is the positive and this side is an negative terminal. As you can see guys, I sold this full battery with 200 rupees. 200 rupees. So installation is complete.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's
Battery installation is complete. Now I will check. So guys, now I will take self start now. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget also to hit the bell icon and share to your friend also. Thank you guys.